today we are going to learn about what? Birds. Okay. So there are two types of birds. The birds that can fly and another is the birds that cannot fly. Today we will learn the names of the birds that can fly. Okay. So the first one is what? Sparrow. Spelling of sparrow is S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Sparrow is what? Food grains. Next is what? Eagle. Spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Eagle fly very high in the sky. Okay. Next is what? Parrot. Spelling of parrot is P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And what is the color of parrot? Yes? Very good. Green. And parrot likes to eat what? Chilies. Okay, next one is what? Crow. Spelling of crow is C-R-O-W. Crow. What is the color of crow? Who can say? Yes, very good. It's black. Number 5 is dove. Spelling of dove is D-O-V-E. Dove. And what is the color of dove? Do you know? Yes, it's white. Next is what? Pigeon. Spelling of pigeon is P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Okay. So, these are the names of the birds that can fly. जो उड़ सकते हैं. Okay. So, it's given in your book also. Just go through it and learn the spelling of these birds. Okay. So, that's all for today. Bye bye.